Hey guys, it's Eric here and this is my Huawei Y5 Lite 2018 unboxing and quick review. I'm giving this one away, more details later in this video. When we open the box, we're greeted with the device all wrapped in plastic. You can see some of the key specs. Let's take out the sticker on the front and on the back to reveal that blue color. It also comes in black. Let's power it on while we see what else is in the box. In the bottom compartment, we get a film screen protector, a quick start guide, a pair of earphones and a 1-amp charger brick, a micro USB cable, and I almost didn't see the SIM ejector tool. On the front, you have a 5.45-inch HD Plus IPS LCD display with 18:9 aspect ratio. On top of that display, you have a 5-megapixel camera with flash, a speaker and notification LED. On the back you have an 8-megapixel camera with flash. On the left you have a SIM tray that houses two 4G LTE nano SIMs and an SD card. On the right you have your power button and volume rocker keys. On the top you have a 3.5mm headphone jack, and on the bottom you have a microphone and micro USB port. About the design, the Huawei Y5 Lite looks and feels very much like its price. It is made from plastic, it has a minimalist design, top and bottom bezels with Huawei branding on the chin, a 2D glass on the front, it has a single firing front-facing speaker, and here's what it sounds like. 2019, a successor to the Y7 Prime 2018 from last year. You have very little information on the box. When you open the display is not the brightest, but it is okay. Screen is responsive for typing. The colors on the display are a bit cold by default, but thankfully you have the option to customize the color temperature just to make it a little bit more vivid and closer to what you get on the mid-rangers. Let's talk about software. It runs on Android 8.1 Oreo, and from the looks of it, a really light version of Emotion UI 8.0. This lets you have 12 gigs available from that 16 gigs of storage. They were able to achieve this by using Android Go Edition apps and less bloatware. You also get that stock feel from the quick settings, which is missing some of the features of the mid-range Y series like screen record and Huawei Share. The navigation buttons also cannot be customized, so you're stuck on stock. About performance, I found myself lowering my expectations with the Y5 Lite 2018 just so I can get an objective opinion, because as you know, this comes with 1 gig of RAM. While I forgot I was using a low-end phone once in a while scrolling through my Twitter and Instagram feed, I was easily reminded that it's not a mid-range phone because of the delay while switching between apps. So not a multitasking beast. About gaming, it would handle very light games fairly well, and I mean very light games just to while away time. It won't play PUBG, Asphalt 8 or 9, etc. Subway Surf is playable with some lag here and there. It also doesn't heat up easily like the glass-back phones that are powered by the same PowerVR GE8100 GPU, but then again, it's generally not a gaming phone, so keep that in mind. About battery life, I found the 3020 mAh battery to be more than enough for a full day of use with over 7 hours of screen on time. It took about 2 hours to charge from 0 to 100% with a third-party 10 watts charger. About the camera, the interface is familiar but nothing like your mid-range Y series phones. I played around with it and I can already tell it's easily the most impressive thing about the Y5 Lite. It delivers respectable high dynamic range and detailed selfies for its price. Here are some of the photos that I took. It also shoots videos in 1080p. Overall, I would say the Y5 Lite 2018 is Huawei's way of catering for every segment of the market. It's easier to overlook the absence of a fingerprint sensor at its price, and it does help that there's a notification LED and a flashlight for the selfie camera. I would recommend this for a young person as their first Android device, or someone older who mostly makes calls, sends texts, WhatsApp messaging, and surfs the web, assuming they're on a tight budget of course. The Y5 Lite 2018 is priced at 28,900 Naira, which converts to $80 US, and you can pick yours up on Jumia Nigeria. I'll be leaving a link in the description box. The giveaway post should be up right now on Twitter and Instagram. It's a nationwide giveaway. I included the links to my social media accounts in the description box too. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it. Please subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.